Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the based Fwog token. Ticker symbol is Fwog. Now this token is trending number 3 right now on DEX Screener in the base section. Brand new token, just came out less than 24 hours ago. Almost a $2 million trading volume today and almost up 2,000%. We're going to go over the information on the based Fwog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on BaseScan. If you're looking for the chart and the price, you can find it on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Now they have a Telegram you can follow, which is at Based Fwog CTO. Now CTO stands for Community Takeover. Usually, if there is a community takeover, it means the dev has abandoned the project and the community is now running the show, and they create their own socials like a Twitter, Telegram. Sometimes there's no web page when there is a CTO, and I noticed on DEX Screener they don't have a web page link, so this could be a community takeover. We're going to check some other places as well, see what it says. So it says, yeah, Based Fwog CTO is the Telegram. This is the community chat Telegram, and they have 600 members. 206 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project, ask questions, talk to other community members, see what they think. And there's a lot of holders here for this project. Right now there's 29,860 holders. According to, there's even more according to their base scan. Their base scan says it's up to 32,641 holders. So there's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 100 billion tokens. And this token here has a total and circulating supply of 1 billion tokens. Now on DEX Tools, they have a DEX score of 82 out of 99. Now they lost some points for information, and that is because, first of all, this is a meme coin with little to no utility. And they also have no web page. So the market cap for this token, $755,000. That is also their fully diluted valuation. Now, I'm looking at DEX Tools and DEX Screener, and one big red flag I noticed for this project here is that it says there is no liquidity lock. So there is a liquidity pool of $305,000 in Uniswap, and there's no liquidity lock on there, so that can be sketchy. Now, they do have some audits that looked pretty decent, though. But besides that, the liquidity lock is not visible anywhere. So if there is, someone with access to the liquidity lock, it says there's 10 liquidity providers. So it is spread out a bit, but still, no liquidity lock on there. So just be aware of that. Now there's 24-hour trading volume today of $1.8 million. And in the past 24 hours, this token is up 1,953%. And in the past 6 hours, the token is up 125%. Today they have had 40,446 transactions. And they are trending number 3 right now on DEX Screener in the base section. And they have been doing some marketing today. It says marketing boost ads button 20 lightning bolts. And token pair was just created 21 hours, 46 minutes ago on Uniswap. Right now they have 33.96 ETH pooled in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 22.89 billion pooled Fwog tokens. So there is no community takeover claim on DEX Screener. Usually there's a community takeover claim. It just says Fwog has no dev. It is the community, but it's not like a legitimate claim. So basically there's, the very popular, I believe it's on ETH, the Fwog, the original Fwog token, and it's green. And so when a token goes to base, you just stick based in the name, and then you turn it blue. And so now we have based Fwog. And their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, at BF or B Fwog CTO. And they have 356 followers on the Twitter. They just joined in December 2024. 51 tweets so far. In their pinned tweet there, they have a link to DEX Screener, so you can go check out the chart. And they have the contract address, and it says we are live. And there's also a Clanker World webpage there, so we'll check that out in a second here. But since the contract address is real easy to find in the pinned tweet, if you're interested in getting this token here, how you would get it, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your account, or fund your wallet, I should say, with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Base for this token using the contract address you could find right there in their pinned tweet or on their Base scan. You can find it all over the place. Now, there is here a quick audit that says if there's taxes or not. So GoPlus Security says there's no taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. Now, their GoPlus Security audit and their Quick Intel Security audit have no issues on them whatsoever. On DEX Screener and DEX Tools, they have no issues on any of the audits. The only thing is, like I said, I don't see a liquidity lock or liquidity pool lock, and Token Sniffer only gave them 70 out of 100. So just be aware of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.